इलेक्शन आपका स्वागत करता है इस न्यू वीडियो में। ये वॉच डॉग 2 का 8th पार्ट है। आज की इस वीडियो में हमारा मिशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। हमें सबसे पहले हेडक्वार्टर जाना है और मैं आपको बताता हूँ मिशन के बारे में।
The man of the hour. Come on, what's the crusher? The launch waits.
Oh, bitch, please. I'm clearly Cisco.
Jake Sisko.
Captain Cisco.
We are minutes away from having Bloom at our mercy.
Well, we're gonna cook the shit out of their goose.
T minus.
अच्छा, हमने जो रॉकेट में चिप सेट की थी
17, 95,
उस रॉकेट का आज लॉन्चिंग है।
Just imagining that
तो चलो देखते हैं।
enough to get me to half-mast and touching cloth at the same friggin' time.
3, 2, 1. Lift off!
तो हमारा रॉकेट लॉन्च हो गया है। OMG, अब हम वो सैटेलाइट में हैं।
Look at that.
Hell of a view up here.
Time to blow the living shit out of Bloom.
Bloom's network covers even more globe than we thought. Even a web this complex has to have a way in, somewhere.
I'm picking up some points of entry. A few of these data hubs have their share of vulnerabilities.
Love it. Let's go.
तो हमें डेलवेयर के डाटा सेंटर में जाना है।
평균 성종량 265kV. 전전소 실내경
The
공치.
Bloom offices are in Yongsan. Let's make some music.
Problem. SML gateway with adaptive security. No way through it. I could spend months and still get nowhere with this.
No. There is always a way.
Hey, what happens to data centers during a power outage?
Their UPS kicks in. What else?
What if that goes too?
The firewall would drop. We'd be one step closer to Delaware.
Wrench, that's brilliant. You should do that.
Funny you should say that, Satara.
What? What?
डिसेबल द पावर ग्रिड। ओके, अरे हम अभी चाइना में हैं, यानी कि इनके सीपीयू को हमें डीएक्टिवेट करना है। यानी कि जो स्क्रीन पे रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन उनके पूरा रेड करना है।
좋아. 압력 개청기는 작동시켰나? 그게 어디? 누가 줘? 10,000원 좀 끄라고.
계속 상승합니다.
빌어먹을.
इनकी तो फटके चार हो गई
이건
होंगी।
날라갈 판이군. 좁아 전압을 반경시켜. We're fucked.
What the fuck did you do, Wrench?
Shut down the power. Any other requests?
Why use a hammer when you have a wrench?
That's what I'm about.
Yeah, I pulled a stunt like that once, Wrench. Riots ensued.
दुबई सर्वर फॉर्म। अब हमें दुबई के सर्वर फॉर्म को हैक करना है।
That kind of thing doesn't bother you.
Look at all this tech. Wrench, am I drooling?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the sound of me drooling.
You know your way around these servers, Josho?
I think I can speak to them.
تفضل يا سيدي المحترم.
ها هي إحدى غرف الصفات، لعلها صغيرة الحجم ولكنها في غاية الأهمية، حيث تؤدي هذه الغرفة دور حلقة الوصل الانتاير فاسيلتي، ويتم توزيع ومراقبة الخدمات الحيوية الخاصة بأمور مثل قدرة الاستيعابية أو أنظمة التحكم الخاصة بنا.
इनके सर्वर हमने पूरे हैक कर लिए हैं।
تريد أن تقول
Josh, you are
Awesome.
definitely the man.
Thank you, Ray.
ये ब्लूम नेम
Welcome to
हमने
Dublin,
बहुत बार देखा
Ireland,
है।
boys.
Aw, I thought this was Dublin, Ohio.
Let's look around, make ourselves at home.
I think you'll find everything here in ship shape.
Well, it doesn't hurt to take a look.
Don't get me wrong, I think security audits are a good practice.
Uh-huh.
Think you'll be done soon.
Hard to say.
It's just that I have a lot of work to do. You know what I mean?
ये क्या है अलार्म? ठीक है ये
Christ. Look, I've got to look after this. I'll circle back shortly. Don't touch anything.
Arsehole.
आदमी वहाँ पे चले गया।
How you love? Okay. Security guru locked by PC. Now I'm waiting around with me hand up me bum. No. What's that?
चलो एक्सेस की मिल गई। ये भी कंप्लीट हो गया।
Right, I'll do it when I'm home.
There you go.
Hey, we're clear to Delaware.
What?
He's right, look. We've got access to Delaware. Time to get what we came for.
Pretty goddamn spectacular.
Let's get him.
All of Bloom's metadata is about to be ours.
This is the big one.
You got this.
OMG ये क्या है? मुझे लगता है ये सब सर्वर है।
Oh, shit.
Look at the size of that.
Guys, we still got this, right?
Man, they really have this locked down.
इसे करने में और मजा आएगा।
Hey, Marcus. How's it going?
You know, it It's a little stressful doing this with all of you watching.
Marcus. Marcus.
Seriously? You're gonna do this now?
Marcus! Marcus! Marcus!
Shouldn't you guys go fuck
सी
yourselves or
ये सब
something?
मार्कस का नाम सीख रहे हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा सर्वर है भाई लोग, हो जा जल्दी। हमने वो सैटेलाइट के थ्रू पूरा सर्वर हैक कर लिया है।
Gonna leave these guys a little memento of my visit.
Marcus, what are you up to?
Nuh-uh. It's a surprise.
What? What?
Hey, not yet.
Did it work?
Wait for it. You see what I did there?
Oh, mad skulls, bro.
Yes! Marcus, you beautiful bastard!
Okay, all right, okay.
Guys, look.
It'll take forever to go through all this.
Focus on why the satellites are in play. Ray.
Yeah, already got eyes on it. Holy loving fuck. It's a backbone.
Satellite backbone?
What about the latency? There's no way they can match the speed of fiber optics.
If I'm reading this right, they are. Blume did it. They're bypassing the undersea cables with satellites.
That's a quantum leap in tech. I mean, if this works, it'll take hackers years to catch up, or...
Not for us. We're already in. Hey, who's on Blume's client list?
We got Noodle. We got Invite. We got Titus. We got Galilee. We got the government. The New York Stock Exchange.
Wait, so all these companies just agreed to up and funnel all their data through Blume? Does anyone else find this suspicious?
All that data at Blume's fingertips, that's like the world's most powerful monopoly.
Can we nuke the backbone? No, even if we could, we still need answers.
Hey, everybody listen up. Our work is far from over, but with this score, at least we're on the playing field. So pick a target. Invite, Titus, whatever, and start digging. Look for shit they're not supposed to be doing, right? Dushan wants to paint us as an enemy? Let's show him what going to war with us really means.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
You know what's up. I saw those wheels spinning. Look, I don't want you using Marcus as your personal weapon against Blume.
Where the fuck is this coming from?
I know about Raymond Kenny and his great collateral damage.
We're using each other here. That was always the deal, Satara. Marcus is a big boy. He knows how to look after himself.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Weird.
In a free and just society, every person is treated with dignity. In a free and just society, leaders are accountable to those they govern. And in a free and just society, individuals can rise as far as their talents and hard work will take them.
Do you believe your society is just? Do you believe you are free? Perhaps you trust in the power of democracy, that your vote counts. Companies now buy politicians and manipulate elections. Do you believe in the power of the free market? The stock exchange is a puppet show for the rich. Your wealth is controlled by people you've never met. Do you believe the government protects you? National defense now aims to protect the government from you. Don't take our word for it. Join us as we launch our biggest operation yet and see for yourselves. The foundations of US policy have failed us all. Democracy, free market, national security. DedSec will give you the truth. Do what you will.
तो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा मिशन ही कंप्लीट होता है। अब हम मिलते हैं सीधा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।